Hi, James with SuperBrightLEDs.com here, taking a look at our RGB color-changing tunable white LED strips. These strips feature separate tunable white chips that allow you to adjust the white from 3000 to 6000 Kelvin, along with full RGB color options that make these strips perfect for task and accent lighting. When paired with the controller, you can control up to 8 separate zones at once, allowing you to have crisp white task lighting in combination with colorful accent lighting. Using the controller, you can easily dim the strips as well as adjust the white color temperature from cool to warm white. The added white chips also give an unprecedented amount of color control, allowing for a nearly endless choice of hues, all while eliminating hot spots and giving even illumination. Running on 24 volts with an impressive 152 lumens per foot, these bright strips are designed to last 30,000 hours and are perfect for a wide range of applications, from under-cabinet lighting in homes and businesses to store displays and more. For more information on this product, please visit our website at SuperBrightLEDs.com. LED lighting for everything.